Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Ali Hurtado. I am from Technical Charlie Department. I want to explanation about two 4-stroke diesel engine. Number 1 intake stroke, number 2 compression stroke, number 3 power stroke, and number 4 exhaust stroke. Number 1 intake stroke. Piston move down from top dead center to bottom dead center. Intake valve is open and exhaust valve is closed. And air center the cylinder throat. Intake valve is suction by the piston. Number 2 compression stroke. Intake valve is closed and exhaust valve is closed. Piston move up or from to bottom dead center to top dead center. The air is compression by the piston, so that it production of very heat while it PE. Blowout of the fuel. Number 3 power stroke. With both valves closed, the spark plug located in the picture. Between the intake and the exhaust valve will fire, igniting the air-fuel mixture. The resulting expansion forces the piston downward and rotates the crankshaft. Number 4 exhaust stroke. The exhaust valve is now open, allowing the piston to push the spent exhaust gases out of the engine at its recess. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you for the time. See you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.